Hello, I'm doing a very easy video today. This is called Chocolate Peanut Butter Crunch. You need 1 cup of peanut butter, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 3 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. So it's 1, 2, 3. That's all you have to remember. 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cups. So you have the peanut butter in a microwave safe bowl. Put your 2 cups of chocolate chips in, and we're going to put it in the microwave on 30 seconds. We cook our chocolate 30 seconds at a time till it's melted. And we're going to mix it. So this took about 1 minute 20 seconds to get it completely melted. But you want to do 30 seconds at a time because you do not want to scorch your chocolate. Then it'll just taste burnt. Once that's melted, we throw in our 3 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. Stir everything together. Have yourself a 9 by 13 pan cookie sheet lined with wax paper ready to go, because that's what we're going to put it on as soon as we get everything mixed together. This will remind you of a Hershey Crunch bar. Kind of tastes like it, but homemade always tastes better, doesn't it? So get it all mixed up nice, so all the cereal's covered with peanut butter and chocolate. And I call this peanut butter chocolate crunch. Once you get it all mixed up, we have our lined cookie sheet over here. Just dump everything in the middle of the pan. Then we're going to spread it out with our hands. Now watch, it'll be hot, so I always use gloves to do this part, to spread it out. So just get a pair of disposable rubber gloves and get all the cereal and chocolate off the spoon. And then we're just going to spread this around a nice little square. You can put this in a smaller pan, but it's just harder to get out. I put it on a cookie sheet so it's easy to work with. And just pile it up about 1 inch thick, just like that. Then we're going to let it cool in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. And then we'll be ready to cut it. Once you cool it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, we're going to flip it over onto another pan lined with parchment paper so we can cut it. So flip that over, take the wax paper off, just like that. Easy cleanup. Then I take a pizza cutter and cut it. See how easy it is to cut? Just cut it just like that. I don't think I could cut a straight line and save my soul. Just never could get it straight. But we're just going to eat them, so it doesn't really matter. Some people like big pieces, some people like little pieces. You just cut it both ways, however big or small that you like them. Just like that. And there you have peanut butter chocolate crunch. And there it is. Peanut butter chocolate crunch 1, 2, 3. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.